In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing and caring every single time. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.